Hello, Ruka. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How's your day so far? Good. By the way, you still have your handout in computer handouts worksheet. Please get it because we are going to use it today for our lesson while waiting for others. Okay, so last week we did not have our class, right? Because you had your midterm exams. How were your midterm exams last week?
Good.
Good. Easy?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Where are the others? Okay, please excuse me for a while. I will just get something. I forgot to get something. I think they're not done eating yet. I think you had 1 hour to have your lunch. Why are they still not here? Let's wait for 2 more minutes. In the morning, they are in the class, right? They were in the class in the morning. Yes. Okay. They're here. Finally, Shanikarn and Sirikanya. Good afternoon. We've been waiting for you for like 3 or 4 minutes already. Okay, how about Poon? Where is she? Oday and others? Okay, so I hope they will join the class soon. Okay, there. Okay, so once again, good afternoon, everybody. So today, by the way, we will use your worksheet for our lesson. So if you have it there, please get it. Okay, we will start discussing our topics for the finals. So in the finals, we will be more on discussion, but I might ask you to report or to present something also later on. Okay, so please prepare for that. But for today, we will just have our discussion about the first topic that we have, and then later on, we will have online quiz in Google Forms. Okay, so please prepare for that as well. Okay, so if you have your worksheet with you, you can open it to page 11 because our topic is there. Okay, so our topic for today is all about this one. How do you read this? Anyone?
Computer network.
Okay, very good, Poon. So computer network. What comes to your mind when you say when you hear the phrase computer network? What other words can you associate with it? Anyone? Computer network. What comes to your mind? randomly when you hear computer network? Anyone?
Internet.
Okay, the internet. Okay, good. What else? Some more ideas? No more? Okay, so yes, internet. Okay, it is a computer network. Actually, the internet is the best known computer network. Okay, so what do you mean when you say computer network? Please read, Haruka.
Computer network. It is a telecommunications network which allows computers to exchange data. The
Okay.
best known computer network is the internet.
Okay, thank you, Haruka. It is, yes.
Are they absent? He is sick.
Okay. Thank you for informing me. Okay, so again, when you say computer network, it is a telecommunications network which allows computers to exchange data. And as what I have said earlier, the best known computer network is the internet. Okay, so in a network, computers and digital devices are connected together. So when you connect one computer to another computer, so you have two computers connected, right? That is already a computer network. Okay, it is like a group of computers connected together, and if they are connected together, they can exchange data with each other. You can transfer one file from one computer to another computer. Okay, so that is computer network. And again, the best known computer network is the internet. Example of computer network, for example, at home you have Wi-Fi, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello? You have Wi-Fi at home, right? Please answer me. Okay, so if you have a Wi-Fi at home and then you connect your devices like your phones, your iPads to your Wi-Fi connection, that is also considered a network. Okay? So basically nowadays, computer network is very, very common. Okay, and again, students, please do not forget that the best known computer network is the internet because it connects all computers all around the world. But of course, a computer network will not work without devices in it. Okay, so there are devices needed in order for a computer network to be formed. Okay, and one of them is or would be the servers. Okay, so what are servers, Shanikarn?
Servers hold shared files and programs. They
Mm-hmm.
provide access to network resources to all of the users of the network.
Okay, thank you. So servers hold shared files and programs. Okay, some servers look like this one, especially when it comes to big companies like Facebook. You have Facebook, right? And on Facebook, you can keep your data or your information, right? Like your photos, something like that. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So those photos, those information that you have on Facebook are being stored on servers. That is why you can access those files, those photos, those information as long as you have the internet. Okay? Because servers do like that. They keep or store data and information as well as files and programs. Okay? And they provide access to network resources to all of the users of a network. So that's why we have an account on Facebook. So if we have an account on Facebook, we can access shared network resources. That's why we can access our friends' photos. We can also access other people's like information. That is because of the servers. Okay, so all information on Facebook are being stored in a server. Okay, understand? Yes or no? Mm-hmm. Okay, now let's go to the next one, clients. Okay, what do you mean when you say clients, Luisa? Poon?
Yes, clients are computers that access and use the network and share network resources.
Okay, thank you, Poon. So clients are computers that access and use the network and shared network resources. So in other words, clients are those computers connected together in a network. So when you connect your phone to your Wi-Fi, your phone is a client. It is the user of the internet of your Wi-Fi, right? So it is considered as a client. When you connect your computer to your Wi-Fi, then that is also considered as a client because it uses the Wi-Fi connection that you have. Okay? So those are your devices: computers, smartwatches, Apple Watch, iPhones, okay, and other digital devices. Okay, so those are clients. How about the next one? We will talk about router. Okay, Sirikanya, what is router?
A router is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks.
Mm-hmm.
It distributes connection to different devices.
Okay, thank you, Sirikanya. So a router is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. Do you know what a router looks like? Do you know what it looks like? Huh? Router? If you have a Wi-Fi at home, for sure you have a router. Okay, so a router basically looks like this one. Have you seen this one at home? If you have a Wi-Fi, for sure you have this one. Okay, so this is a router. Basically, the function of a router is to distribute connection to different devices. And I will explain more about router later on. Okay, now let's go to modem or modulator, demodulator. Okay, Haruka, please read.
Modem is the entry point device of your internet connection. It modulates and demodulates signal.
Okay, thank you, Haruka. So modem is short for modulator, demodulator. Okay, why? Because it modulates and demodulates signals. So the word modem came from here, modulator, demodulator, because it is what it does. Okay, so it modulates and demodulates signals, analog and digital signals, and it is the entry point device of your internet connection, and a modem looks like this one. Okay, have you heard the word modem before? Yes or no? Really? You haven't heard it yet? Are you sure? Okay, so nowadays students, a router and a modem are being combined into one device. Okay, most of them, especially if you have internet, you cannot see, you might not be able to see a separate modem and router because they are combined into one device. But modem and router are different from each other. Okay, a modem, okay, please listen everybody, a modem gives you the internet, while a router allows you to connect to the network. So if you have a router but you don't have a modem, you can connect to your Wi-Fi but you will not have internet access. Okay? So that's why a modem is needed for you to access the internet, because it is the modem who does or who gives you the access to the internet. Again, if you have a router, you can connect to your Wi-Fi, but you will not have internet access. You need a modem for that. Okay? Unless if you have a direct connection via Ethernet port, I think, from your ISP's main access point, then you can connect or you can have internet if you have a direct connection using Ethernet cable or Ethernet cable connection. Okay, but again, students, if you want to access the internet, you will need a modem. Okay, but if you are using mobile data or hotspot on your phone, then you don't need a modem for that. Okay, because you can already use the internet using a hotspot. Okay, but if you have a Wi-Fi at home, for sure you need a modem. Okay, understand? Sure. Okay, now let's go to the next one, which is your hub or switch. Actually, they are different from each other, but slightly different. Okay, that's why I will just generalize what are they. Okay, Grace, please read.
It uses physical device addresses in each incoming message so that it can deliver the message to the right destination or port.
Okay, thank you, Grace. So basically, students, a hub or a switch looks like this one. I'm not sure if you have seen this one, but at school in the computer room, we have this one. So a hub or switch is used to exchange data within a local network, but it is for wired connection only, and it cannot detect IP address. It can only detect MAC address. A router can detect IP address and can be used wirelessly. Okay, the three of them, hub, switch, and router, are similar. Okay, because they are used to exchange data within a local network, but the router is the best because you can use it wirelessly, while the hub and switch are for wired connections only. So you will need Ethernet cables for that. Okay, understand? Looks like this one. Okay, now students, let's go on to the next one. The next one would be your transmission media. Okay, PP. Since you're here, please read so that you will not be absent. If you will not read it, then that means you are absent. Where's Sirikanya, by the way? Okay, Poon. Please read.
Yeah. These are the facilities used to interconnect computers in a network. Example are twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and
Coaxial. It's coaxial.
coaxial cable and optical fiber cable.
Okay, thank you, Poon. So transmission media are basically those cables that you use to connect one device to another device. Okay, so these are examples of cables. These are twisted pair cables. I'm not sure if you have seen this one at school, in the computer room. Plugged in at the back of your system unit or CPU case, right? What color is it at school? What color at school? Blue, are you sure? It can come with different colors, but at school we use white. Yes, for all the computers in the computer room. I thought you have seen this one in school. Okay, so we are using white, but it can come with different colors. You know what? Way back when I was studying in college, we are doing this one. These are like small, tiny wires that we need to insert here in the transparent something here, RJ45, we call it RJ45, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so we will insert all the lines here and it should be correct for the cable to function. Okay, if you will take IT or computer related course, networking, something like that, maybe you will do that one in the future also. Okay, so this one is the most common, twisted pair cable. And then we have this one, coaxial cable. Well, where do you see this one? This kind of cable. Where do you see this kind of cable? Usually you can see it at the back of your TV, television. Okay, but this can also be used in a computer network. And then we have this one, optical fiber cable. It looks like this one. This one is way much faster than the other two. Okay, optical fiber, I think, is the latest, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, it is very fast. It can transmit data faster than these two, the twisted pair and coaxial cable. Okay, so again, transmission media are those cables that you use to connect one device to another. Okay, understand? Okay, now students, let's go to the last one, which is a network interface card. Haruka, what is a network interface card?
It is also known as Ethernet card or network adapter. It connects a computer to a computer network.
Okay, so each computer has a network interface card because it connects a computer to a computer network. If you don't have Ethernet card, then you would not be able to connect to the internet. Okay, and network interface card looks like this one. It is abbreviated as, or the acronym for network interface card is NIC. Okay, and the other name would be your Ethernet card and network adapter. It looks like this one. Where do you think you can see this one on your computer? Where can you see this one on your computer? Where can you find this one? Is it inside of the CPU or the system unit or the monitor? Any idea? Johnny Carn, how can I hear you if your microphone is muted? Okay, so you can find it inside of your system unit or your CPU case, and you will connect the cable here, the twisted pair cable, the one that I showed you earlier. Okay, so you will connect here. So as what you can see at the back of your CPU, okay, if you are using like a desktop computer, you will have like this. Okay, but I think for those computers that are modern, they use HDMI already. They don't use like this kind of port anymore. Okay, but nevertheless, students, this is an example of a network interface card. It allows a computer to connect to a network. Okay, understand? Any questions? No? Okay, so again, what is a computer network? What is a computer network? Quick review before we have our online quiz. What is a computer network? Anyone can answer.
It is a telecommunications network that allows computers to exchange data.
Okay, very good. And what is the best known computer network? Best known computer network. Starts with letter I. Hello, students. What is the best known computer network? Starts with letter I.
Internet.
Okay, the internet. And also we studied about different computer network devices. Can you enumerate the computer network devices that we have discussed? Number one, we have starts with letter S. You have your handouts or your worksheet with you, right? The answers are there, page 11. Number one, we have
Server.
servers. Very good. Number two, we have starts with letter C.
Silent or
Cla.
client.
Clients. Okay, how about number 3? What's the
Oh,
letter R? Antenna.
router.
Router. Do I have only one student? Number 4. Starts with letter M. What is it?
Modem.
Modem. Number 5. Welcome back, Siri Kanya.
Switch.
Okay, hub or switch. And then number 6, we have
Transmission media.
okay, transmission media. And the last one we have what's the last one? NIC.
In network interface card.
Okay, so we have network interface card. What is the full name of modem? What's the full name of modem? What's the full name of modem? Anyone? It is. Oh, I'm showing you the answer. Can someone read it, please?
Modulator.
Modulator.
Demodulator.
Okay, modulator, demodulator. Now, are modem and router the same? Yes or no? No. Okay. What is the difference between the two? What is the function of a modem and what is the function of a router? Anyone? Hello? You still there? Okay, so what is the function of a modem and what is the function of a router? Okay, I will change the question. In general, okay, in the most basic way, can you use the internet if you have a router but you don't have a modem? Yes or no? Okay, no. Who gives you the internet access? Router or modem? Which one gives the internet access? Is it the modem or is it the router?
Router.
Router.
Which one gives you the internet access? Is it the modem or the router? Yes?
Modem.
Okay, the modem is the one that gives the internet access. The router will just share the internet access. So from the internet, from the main source, it will go to modem, and then the modem will share it to the router, and then the router will share it to your devices. That's why the function of the router is to allow devices to connect to the network. Again, students, the modem gives you the internet access. The router just shares the connection that the modem gave to it. Okay, and the router also allows the devices to connect to the network. Okay, if you have a router but you don't have a modem, you can connect to your Wi-Fi connection, but you will not have internet access. Okay, understand? Understand? Okay, now let's go to our online quiz. Okay, so please give me a moment. I will share a link to our line group. Okay, so please open the link and then fill out your name, your number, and then answer the questions. Okay, please give me a moment. Okay, so I sent the link already. Have you seen it? Okay, so I will give you time to do that. I will give you the remaining time to answer the online quiz. Okay? Okay, please excuse me for a while. I will just go to the toilet. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, finish. Very, very easy. That is worth 10 points, I guess. Two students are done already. Two or one? No, no, no. Not yet. Okay, this was my test last night when I tried answering it. Okay, not from you. Sorry. Students, it's very, very easy. No one's done yet. Time check, 6 minutes. So your points for today will be based on this online quiz and then for your participation also. So for those who are not here, they will not have any points for participation because they are not here. But for those who are here, then you will get additional points for your participation. That's how I make your grades. Okay, one student is done. Mhm. Poon, Grace, and Sirikanya, are you okay there? Why are you not done yet? Very easy. Okay, 4 responses. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, same scores. Okay, so that's it, students. Again, your points for today will be based on your participation. You have other points for participation. Okay, and also for the online quiz. Okay, so is there any more questions? Are there any more questions? No? Okay, so next week we will continue with our discussion about computer network. I think next week we will discuss about types of computer network or network topology, something like that. Okay, so let's see to it next week. Okay, so I hope everyone will be here next week. Okay, so that is all. Stay safe and have a nice day, everyone. Thank you for listening and have a nice day. Bye.